Welcome to our roundup of the best food processors under $100. Affordable and versatile kitchen appliances designed to make food preparation faster and easier. Whether you're chopping vegetables, slicing ingredients, mixing dough, or making sauces, a good food processor can save time and effort in the kitchen. Modern, budget-friendly food processors come with multiple blades, powerful motors, compact designs, and easy-to-clean components. Many models also include safety features, different speed settings, and dishwasher-safe parts for added convenience. Choosing the right food processor under $100 can help you enjoy efficient cooking without overspending. Let's take a closer look at some of the best options available right now. Starting with the faux hair food processor, this model is a great option for users who want strong performance at an affordable price. It typically features a powerful motor that can handle chopping, slicing, and blending tasks with ease. The multiple blade attachments allow for versatile food preparation. Its compact design makes it easy to store in small kitchens. Many users appreciate its quick operation and reliable performance. Additionally, it delivers consistent results for everyday cooking needs. It also improves efficiency, enhances convenience, and supports regular use. It also provides stable performance, smooth operation, improved durability, enhanced cutting precision, and ensures consistent results across various kitchen tasks, including chopping, slicing, and mixing ingredients, even during extended and repeated daily use with excellent durability. Next up is the CKEMU food processor, a practical choice designed for everyday kitchen use. This model typically offers a user-friendly design with simple controls that make operation easy for beginners. It includes sharp stainless steel blades that ensure efficient chopping and mixing. The bowl capacity is suitable for preparing meals for small to medium households. Many users appreciate its lightweight build and easy cleaning process. Additionally, it delivers dependable performance and consistent output. It also improves usability, enhances control, and supports daily food preparation. It also ensures efficient operation, better handling, improved durability, enhanced cutting performance, and reliable results during frequent use across different types of food preparation tasks and ingredients, even during frequent use, with reliable results across different types of food preparation tasks and ingredients with excellent durability. Moving on to the KitchenAid food processor, this model stands out for its trusted brand quality and solid performance. It typically features durable construction and efficient blades that provide precise cutting and mixing results. The compact size makes it ideal for smaller kitchens while still offering strong functionality. Many versions include easy assembly and simple controls for convenience. Users appreciate its smooth performance and reliable operation. Additionally, it delivers consistent results across various recipes. It also enhances efficiency, improves control, and supports versatile use. It also offers enhanced durability, improved precision, smoother functionality, better performance consistency, and reliable results for a wide range of kitchen tasks, including chopping, slicing, and mixing ingredients. Stepping up in performance, the Hamilton Beach food processor offers a great balance of power, capacity, and affordability. This model typically features a strong motor that can handle tougher ingredients like nuts, cheese, and dough. The larger bowl capacity makes it suitable for preparing bigger meals. Many versions include multiple attachments for slicing, shredding, and mixing. Users appreciate its versatility and ease of use. Additionally, it delivers efficient performance and reliable results. It also improves productivity, enhances functionality, and supports various kitchen tasks. It also increases processing power, improves efficiency, enhances versatility, delivers consistent results, and ensures smooth operation during heavy-duty tasks and larger meal preparation without performance drops. Taking the top spot is the Ganiza food processor, a powerful and versatile option designed for efficient and reliable performance. This model typically includes a high-speed motor along with multiple blade options for different food preparation tasks. The large capacity bowl allows for preparing meals in bigger quantities. Many users appreciate its strong performance and durable design. It also features safety mechanisms that improve user confidence during operation. Additionally, it delivers fast and consistent results. It also stands out for its power, versatility, and overall value. It also enhances performance stability, improves processing speed, increases efficiency, ensures consistent output, and delivers reliable results for demanding kitchen tasks and extended use with excellent durability. All of these food processors serve different needs depending on power, capacity, and ease of use. The faux hair processor offers strong performance at a budget price. The CKEMU processor provides simple and reliable functionality. The KitchenAid processor delivers trusted quality and precision. The Hamilton Beach processor offers power and versatility, and the Ganiza processor stands out as the most powerful and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best food processors under $100, from compact everyday models to more powerful options for versatile cooking. If you're upgrading your kitchen tools or looking for a budget-friendly appliance, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which food processor you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your cooking faster and easier with the right food processor.